So in this video, I'll basically be telling you about IDA, Awareness, Interest, Desire, Action. This is the most basic sales and marketing funnel that you need to understand to crack marketing and sales in any role. Whether you're in a marketing role, whether you're in a sales role, whether you're doing customer service. In the marketing and sales domain, this is like the most fundamental thing and the most basic thing which most people know, even I know, but we a lot of times end up not applying it. Right? If one was to just apply this fundamental concept, they can transform anything and everything in their approach, in their business. And it's like that basic, that obvious 1 + 1 = 2 wala thing which people miss out on. Right? So I'll just share this with you. So basically, this is a series of steps, or this is a series of stages through which you take people from not knowing anything about your business to being your brand advocates. Advertising and marketing works best when your customers start advertising and marketing you. Right? That is the goal of a good marketing campaign. Not to continuously do marketing on your own, but to get your clients and your stakeholders, जो भी stakeholders हैं, whether it's clients, whether it's employees, whether it's vendors, or anyone and everyone associated with your brand. When you tell them, when they start pushing you into their network, that's when your brand goes viral. Evangelists, right? So this is that journey from them not knowing you to becoming evangelists of your brand, right? So it's broken up into two parts of the funnel. One is the pre-purchase stage. Second is the post-purchase stage. The pre-purchase is the stages when they haven't bought into your idea or spent money on your idea. Post-purchase is they've bought and spent, they've become fans, raving fans, and now there are those. They're encouraging other people to kind of buy. So just talking about the pre-purchase stages. So it starts by engagement, which is the brand awareness, which is top of the funnel. These are people who don't know you, who haven't heard of you, and who are just getting aware about this idea. So I'll take the example of a car over here. Let's say I'm a car salesman and I'm looking to sell my car. So there'll be a section of the audience who don't know about my car. This is the largest of the audience. Yeah. Approximately, you can say these are 60 to 65% of your market who haven't heard about you. Right? This is the largest pie. Then you start engaging with them. Some people will start understanding that yes, this is what this brand is doing, this is the problem this brand is solving, and some people will get disconnected. They don't care. Like they'll be like, मुझे गाड़ी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, I need a scooter. So they'll be filtered out. So then you start working on those people who you can educate, who have expressed some desire, some interest, and they now need to be made aware of the problem which they might have and that you can solve for them. Right? So this is the interest part of the equation. Right? Then you start giving them solutions. This is the problem that you're having. These are the solutions. These are the benefits that you can get from my product or service, right? So you start giving them solutions. You start assessing their needs and requirements. You start giving them justifications, and they start getting more and more excited. Yes, this is something which I might want. But this will again be a fraction of the people who are in your awareness and interest stage. So more people will get filtered out. This is approximately, I would say, 15% of the funnel, 15 to 20% of the funnel. So 60% is 70% is the awareness, 20% is the interest and desire, and then finally you will reach a point where you will find some people who will buy from the initial segment. So you have to know which stage is this person in. For somebody who hasn't even heard about my car, you can't tell him मेरे से गाड़ी खरीद. उसको पता ही नहीं what the car is, क्या है क्या नहीं है. He doesn't know anything, right? So you need to know which stage this person is in before you have that conversation. So for you, by default, everyone is in this brand awareness
Yes.
This is a superset. So this is the safest game to play. Don't tell them about buy. Just educate. Awareness and educate. Do you know that a website can do this for you? Do you know that search engine optimization can do that for you? Do you know how social media can help you out? So on and so forth. Right? So this is the game that most brands play. Especially brands who are trying to go mass market.
Yeah.
Right? Later on in some other training, I'll tell you specific content ideas also. कि if awareness में कोई बंदा है, what is the content that you can give to him? कोई purchase में अगर कोई बंदा है, what is the content you can give to him?
Take them to the next step.
Push them to the next step.
So it's basically, this funnel is about hand holding a person from point A to point B.
Exactly. Right. Then we come to so last stage is purchase. He's bought, he's done the transaction, signed the check, given the advance, blah blah blah. This is where most marketers or sales people end their job. अब तो sale हो गई, अब क्या करना? Go to the next person now, right? And to be very honest with you, even I am guilty of making this mistake.
Yeah.
But this is not where things should end. There is a whole journey after that. In fact, the real journey begins after that, which can make any brand go viral, right? So this is the post-purchase stages, which include four concrete funnels. Adoption, where they have started adopting your product or service, they started using it proactively. You're onboarding them, helping them implement, helping them understand. So यहाँ पे customer training होती है, demos होते हैं, हम आपको समझाते हैं, all those things. Then they start seeing some results. They bought my car. Now they like, this is saving me time, this is giving me comfort, the seats are nice, the music system is nice, AC is very good, and so on and so forth. So they start seeing that level of comfort, right? So these people are people then we can retain. So they're in the retention, they'll get retained because they've completely bought into the idea. They're using my service now.
They're getting the experience.
They're getting the experience and they're loving it, right? So now to these people, we can expand. If we have more products or services, we can upsell and cross-sell to them. So we want to take an extended warranty. So for example, in the mobile phone space, here's a earphone that will go really well, or here's a mobile cover, or here's some other accessory which will go really well. If I was in the car business, polish करवा लो गाड़ी की, या touch up करा लो, interior करा लो, exterior करा लो, servicing करा लो. The cross-selling, upselling. A lot of business happens there as well. And lastly, we come to advocacy. So this person who's been buying from us regularly, is happy, very content. We work with them to give them more benefit. Referrals, loyalty programs हो गए, reward points हो गए, free bonuses, free discounts. Ask them to promote the brand. Not ask them to start doing it on their own, but you gently nurture and engage with them, right? So this is your entire customer journey. It's not something which can happen in 1 month. It takes probably a year, 2 years to help one person walk from completely unaware to a brand advocate. But if you can do that, then gradually you will become a viral brand.